This is the Microsoft Surface Pro 10, a sleek and sophisticated laptop that's redefining the future of work. This one's for the busy business users like us, who need a laptop that can keep up with our productivity, creativity, and collaboration needs. And guess what? It's Microsoft's first AI-enabled laptop, packed with features that use artificial intelligence to help you work smarter, not harder. So we're going to take a deep dive and see if it lives up to the hype. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. First off, the design is sleek and familiar if you've seen the Surface Pro 9. It's got that same durable anodized aluminum body, adjustable kickstand, and magnetic keyboard attachment. At just 1.94 pounds and 0.37 inches thin, it's super portable for taking on the go. You can get it in either platinum or black, both of which look sharp. The build quality is top-notch, so you don't have to worry about it feeling cheap or flimsy. Now let's talk about that gorgeous 13-inch Pixel Sense Flow display. It's got a crisp 2880 by 1920 resolution, perfect for getting stuff done with that 3:2 aspect ratio. And get this, it's got a 120 Hz refresh rate, so everything looks buttery smooth. It supports touch input too, which is great for navigating with your fingers or sketching with the Surface Pen. The screen is protected by Gorilla Glass 5, so you can toss it in your bag without worrying about scratches. With a 1200 1 contrast ratio and Dolby Vision IQ, the colors really pop. There's an anti-reflective coating too, so you can work outside without squinting. The only downside is that 13-inch size might feel a little cramped if you're used to bigger laptops. And since it's a 3:2 aspect ratio, watching movies won't fill up the whole screen. Under the hood, the Surface Pro 10 is packing some serious firepower. You can get it with either a Intel Core Ultra 5 processor or Ultra 7 processor, both of which are blazing fast. Pair that with up to 64 GB of RAM and a 1 TB of SSD, and you've got a machine that can handle anything you throw at it. The Intel Iris Xe graphics are good enough for light gaming and creative tasks. The only thing missing is a dedicated GPU option if you need more graphics power. Now let's talk about what really sets this laptop apart, the AI features. First off, there's an upgraded 1440p webcam with a 114-degree field of view, perfect for video calls and meetings. It's got Windows Studio effects like automatic framing, eye contact, and background blur to make you look your best. And get this, there's a dedicated Copilot key on the keyboard that gives you instant access to Microsoft's AI assistant. It can help with research, writing, brainstorming, you name it. The AI stuff is really cool, but it's still a work in progress compared to some other AI assistants out there. You might need to tinker with the settings to get it working just right. The port selection is pretty solid, with 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports for fast data transfer and charging. There's also a Surface Connect port for docking and a Surface keyboard port. Wireless connectivity is top-notch with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. As for the battery, you can get up to 19 hours of battery life, and it can easily last through a full workday. The optional Surface Pro Signature keyboard is a must-have, with a comfy typing experience and built-in storage and wireless charging for the Surface Slim Pen 2. The only downside is the lack of USB-A ports and no HDMI or DisplayPort for video output. Security and manageability are a big deal for business users, and the Surface Pro 10 delivers. You've got Windows Hello facial recognition for secure logins, plus other enterprise-grade security features. It's also more serviceable than previous models, with QR codes and internal markings to help IT staff diagnose and fix issues. The facial recognition works great in most lighting, but might struggle a bit in low light. The serviceability improvements are a step in the right direction, but still not as good as a traditional laptop. So there you have my thoughts on the Microsoft Surface Pro 10. If you're a business user looking for a powerful, portable, AI-enabled 2-in-1 laptop, this thing is definitely worth a look. The design is sleek, the display is gorgeous, and the performance is top-notch. The AI features are a cool bonus even if they're still a work in progress. Sure, it's on the pricey side, but you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. I'd recommend checking it out if you're in the market for a premium business laptop. Let me know if you have any other questions.